So are you worried about the TikTok ban? Don't be, because I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use TikTok in the US, even if it's banned. No, you don't need to be a tech genius to pull this off, and I'll also share some of the best free and paid solutions that work like a charm. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be scrolling your TikTok in no time. Alright, let's talk about why this is happening. If TikTok gets banned in your country, it means your internet provider or government blocks access to the app. But here's the secret. A VPN, or virtual private network, can help you bypass that restriction by making it look like you're browsing from another country. Sounds cool, right? Let me break it down for you step by step. A VPN works by masking your IP address, which is like your online identity, and replacing it with one from a different country. For example, if TikTok is accessible in Canada, you can use a VPN to connect to a Canadian server, and voila, you've unlocked TikTok. The best part? It's simple to set up and works on both Android and iPhones. Here's how you can set up a VPN in minutes. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store and download a VPN app. Next, open the app, sign up, and choose a server in a country where TikTok is still available, like Canada or the UK. Once connected, open TikTok and you're back in business. Now let's talk about which VPNs are worth your time. For the best experience, I recommend these paid VPNs. Number 1, NordVPN, super fast and very reliable. Number 2, ExpressVPN, amazing for streaming and works seamlessly with TikTok. Number 3, Surfshark, budget-friendly but powerful. And last but not least, the Brave VPN. It's built into the Brave browser, and yeah, it's one of the best VPNs. But what if you don't want to spend money? No worries. Here are some great free options. First, Proton VPN. It's secure and doesn't have data limits. Second, Windscribe gives you 10 gigabytes of free data per month. And third, Fast VPN. You can use it with no limits if you watch their ads. If TikTok still doesn't work, here are a few tips. First, clear your app cache or reinstall TikTok. Second, try connecting to a different server in your VPN app. And third, ensure your VPN is running before you open TikTok. Don't worry, this usually solves most issues. So there you have it. TikTok might be banned, but with a VPN you can easily bypass those restrictions and enjoy your favorite videos without interruption. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends who might need it, and hit subscribe for more tech hacks and tutorials. Until next time, happy TikToking, and stay connected no matter what.